Little Wriggler, play and learn.
We're making a fruit salad today.
Now, safety tips. There are 2 knives here, Ollie. One is a little one for cutting things in parts, small things, and one is a big one for cutting the big fruit into slices. Never touch the knives. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Fruit.
Some more fruits. What fruits do we have?
Watermelon. Watermelon. It's big.
And what color is the watermelon?
Green.
Shall we cut the watermelon?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see
What
what's
color?
inside the watermelon. We're going to cut it in half. And let me see what color is inside. Woo! Look at that.
Love to eat it.
Okay, well, I'll give you a little bit.
I
Okay.
love to eat the watermelon. Very juicy.
And then we're going to cut it into...
Little slices.
We're going to cut it like this to get the skin off, you see? You see what I'm doing there? It's a bit tricky. You've got to mind your fingers. Now, can you put that watermelon into
The bowl.
the bowl? Well done.
I love to eat it.
What is this?
Melon.
That's also a melon. This one's called a cantaloupe melon.
And inside is orange.
Orange. Is it nice?
It's moving.
You have to use your hand. It's a gentle. How about some, what is this?
Apple.
What color is the apple?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. Now, when it comes to apple, you have to take the core out. You see the core? Here's where I need to use my small knife to take the core out, right? So I just go in like that, and I take out the core. Oh,
I like to eat the apple and the avocado.
you like
and
avocado?
The orange and those 2 apples and the pear.
But you don't put an avocado in a fruit salad. Do you want to try a bit of the apple? Is it tasty? There we go. Now we're going to go with some orange.
Orange.
And what color is it?
Orange.
Orange is called the color orange. That's funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got to peel the orange first. This is how you do it for fruit salad.
But I don't like to bite it.
No, of course, and you wouldn't like to eat the peel of the orange either.
I wouldn't like the seeds either.
No, you wouldn't like the seeds either, but we'll take the seeds out if we have to. There goes
I
a bit.
wouldn't like the pip either.
And the pips of the orange.
No.
No, we're going to cut it in slices like this.
It's the color orange inside.
Yes, it is color orange inside. It's a lovely color, isn't it?
It's the color orange.
This is actually it's called a blood orange because you see there's bits of red in there.
It's yummy.
It's yummy. In it goes. The next one is, what's that?
Pear.
And what color is this pear?
Red.
Yeah, red.
And
You can
yellow.
you can also get green pears and yellow pears. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Pear is one of your favorite, isn't it?
Yeah. That is one of my and apples
And
and
apples.
bananas.
In it goes. Now this one's a little tricky. Do you know what this is called?
Apple.
No, it looks like an apple. You're right. It's actually called a nectarine. It's similar like a peach, but it's a tricky one to cut because it's got a big nut in the middle.
It's got a big nut in the middle.
It's a little tricky.
It's got a big nut in the middle.
There it comes. Look at that. There's the big nut. Now I'm going to use the little knife to get it out the rest of the way.
Look at the big nut.
Mm.
There's a big nut in the middle.
It's a big nut in the middle, but you don't want to eat that, do you?
No,
No. There we go. See that? Nicely cut out.
it's not tasty.
It's not tasty. Now we're going to slice this one up. Do you want to try some of the nectarine?
Yeah.
Try that one. Was it nice? It's nice and sweet, isn't it? All the nectarines are going in.
Nectarine.
Here's an interesting one. Do you know what this is?
Avocado.
No, try again. I'll show you inside. What color is this?
Uh,
Brown, isn't it? And feel it? It's a bit furry, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat that, do you?
What is it?
You tell me.
I don't know.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Kiwi fruit, you see? What color is it inside?
Green.
Green.
It's brown. Green
That's
on
right.
the outside, the brown on the.
That's right. So
Green
now
on the
we're just gonna
inside, the brown on the outside.
peel this off. Now I'm just gonna peel off the skin
That
like
one
this.
is sharp and that one is sharp.
Yeah, they're very sharp knives.
But mine's sharp. But my knife is not sharp. Kiwi.
Now we're gonna cut them in
I
half like
love
that.
that.
And then
I
I'm gonna
love the kiwi.
slice it like that.
Kiwis are green.
We're gonna put the kiwis in, what do you think? All right, then you put them in. The next one is, what are these?
Wait,
They look like grapes, you're right, but they're not grapes.
the cherry.
They're cherries, well done. They're also a bit tricky to use because you know why?
Yeah.
What's inside this cherry? Let's see.
What color is inside it?
Let's see what's inside this cherry.
I can't like.
Look, what's that?
What color?
That is a little pip. Look at that.
What color is that?
It's red inside, isn't it?
Yes. And what color is on the outside? Brown.
Looks a bit brown, but actually it's sort of red, isn't it?
That's a color maroon.
Sort of maroon, that's right. They are sort of maroon, you're right.
Whereas on the inside, the maroon on the outside.
Maroon on the outside. Do you want to eat the pip?
No.
Nope. Do you want to try a bit of cherry?
Yeah.
I'm not sure you've had cherry before, have you?
Mm-mm.
Is it tasty?
Yummy.
Okay, let's put those in.
Wait.
Those are grapes, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are a bit easier
What
than
color grapes?
these are black grapes.
Black grapes. And then green and purple grapes in toddlers.
Green and purple grapes and toddlers. Okay, these are a bit easier than cherries because there's no stone, right? Look, I just have to slice them like that.
And it's green on the inside.
Yeah, it's sort of green on the inside, isn't it?
Grapes are yummy. I like grapes.
You've eaten grapes.
It's eat grapes.
Is it tasty? Will we add it to the fruit salad? All right then, let's add that to the fruit salad.
I'm very hungry.
You're very hungry. Now, what are these?
Strawberry.
They are strawberries. Now, strawberries are a little out of season at the moment, but they should be okay. Tricky thing with strawberries is,
Green bit.
no, you got to take the green bit out. Easiest way to take the green bit out is to pare it like this. And then you take out the chunky bit. And then we do the same thing with this one. You just like taking the core out,
I will
really.
love them.
Yeah, you're gonna love them.
Core. What is a core?
Core is the center.
Strawberry.
Yeah. These ones don't need to be sliced at all. What are they?
Raspberries.
Sort of dark red or medium garnet red on both sides. I'm just gonna put these ones in, okay? Good.
We're
Now,
making a fruit salad.
can you remember what we put in?
Ooh, watermelon.
Watermelon, cantaloupe melon,
Yeah, cashew melon.
strawberries,
Yeah,
an apple,
yeah,
grapes,
yeah.
cherries,
And a pear.
and a pear, and a nectarine,
Yeah.
and also a kiwi. Now we're just gonna mix it up.
I'm going to eat all those fruit.
Yeah. Only gentle stirring,
Looks like a spoon.
because you have to mix the fruit so everyone gets a little bit of everything. Now, we're gonna put it in there. And we need a little bit of the grapes.
Fruit salad. It's yummy, delicious.